What are the key features and functionalities of the 2024 BMW X7 dashboard warning indicator lights and instrument cluster? How do these indicators assist drivers in understanding the vehicle's status and addressing potential issues? What do the various colors and symbols signify, and how can drivers interpret them effectively? If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen controls navigation and media, while the instrument cluster displays speed, fuel, and alerts. Climate control is a system that regulates a vehicle's interior temperature, humidity, and airflow for optimal comfort. A steering wheel is a round control device used by a driver to direct the movement of a vehicle.
Instrument cluster.
Cluster indicators. Rear seatbelt warning. Brake system. Parking brake. Risk of collision, pedestrian warning. Forward collision warning, driver power. Seatbelt reminder, airbag system. Dynamic stability control, anti-lock braking system. Dynamic traction control activated, tire pressure monitor. Engine warning light, steering system. Collision warning switched off, rear fog light. Lane departure warning, collision warning restricted or failed. High beam headlights, turn signal. Side lights, low beam headlights. Automatic high beam assistant, lane departure warning. Automatic hold, manual speed limiter. Cruise control, active cruise control with distance control. Speed limit assistant activated, speed limit assist. Lane change assistant in progress. Lane change assistant not possible. Lane change assistant functional requirements not met. Assisted driving mode plus. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.